Hey everyone, welcome back to Lucas A. I'm sorry I've never used this for a while since now I'm in school. But today we're going to find out what happens when we put a ordinary fresh hard-boiled egg in the microwave. Okay, so what we're going to do is actually we need to move this yard waste garbage can out of the way. Or maybe, no, that's not yard waste, that's gotta move that out of the way and we'll put the egg in the microwave. Okay, so we usually would put the egg right here. Oh, come on. Let's see, how can I get it to stay without it rolling? I guess. Okay, I'm actually gonna take the turntable out, so that way, yeah, so that way it stays in its position. And now I'm just gonna put the egg kind of right in there. There we go. And now we can give her a rip. Okay, let's cook it for a minute. Stand back. Whoa! Oh my god. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, that's what happens when you put an egg in a microwave. Okay, that's it.